Papanoorin natin ang preliminary swimsuit performance ni Marian Arellano representing Tarlac for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
Let's go!
Ganda. Oh, muntik na.
One take na, pero naka-bounce back.
Yes. Go, laban girl. Yes.
With grace and grit.
Yes, the grit.
And the grace.
Marian Arellano.
Ang gandang
Aww.
Pilipina.
Ganda na smile.
Yes. You can do it, girl. Alam mo yung aura ni Marian kasi pag swimsuit performance niya with all her presence talaga, she gives me the vibe of Katrina Demaranan.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Mm.
Ayaw maniwala. Doon ka sa likod ka rin. So yun, ang ganda niya lang kasi and very Filipina yung kulay niya, ganyan. Very, wala lang, kalma lang.
Ako parang Gazini Ganados yung nakikita
Parang
ko
ang
sa
layo
kanya.
naman, auntie.
Ang ganda din niya din talaga. Although yung merong maliit na mishap na parang kung hindi mo talaga titignan, hindi rin mo mapapansin eh. Ganun kaganda yung performance niya na...
Though she, she performed on this round. And if you think na deserve niya ang spot to the grand finals, don't forget to visit the Maya app, claim your one free vote, and cast your vote for Marian Arellano representing Tarlac.